Say good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Actually, I've got a pimple over there. It was actually like a pimple that pimple scarring, I would say, that I've had for years. And yesterday I decided to pop it. And so it popped. So I've decided to pop it yesterday, and it left redness on my nose, and that's why I'm wearing this. But yeah, I wanted to start this vlog. I'm going to get baby checked, and also myself, because I do need to check my eyes. My eyes been itchy and flaky. It has been months since I've been dealing with this. So hi. I've got a friend up there. Look, say hi. कौन है? क्या कर रहे? अच्छा, पाशु कहाँ है? पाशु? अच्छा, हम करनाल चल रही हूँ. Hi. She always comes and looks from there. So funny. Hey? Say hi. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look. Say bye-bye. Got me, yeah? Oh, she's up there. Say bye. Bye, girl. Say bye-bye. Tia. She's funny, that lady. She always comes in and peek from there. Bashu's mom. So it's our first time going to the city without Kavi. We miss Kavi. Do you miss your papa? Where? She's teething at the moment, so. Teethy. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's so hot. Not sunny, but it's cloudy, but it's really hot.
Arab and Qatar, they are by this cow shit and buffalo shit as a natural, I don't know what, to do farming.
I don't want to do it.
You know why they do this?
Why?
So
what's it called?
Kawad. K-A-W-A-D, Kawad. Kawad Yatra.
So they just came back from the
Haridwar, yeah.
Haridwar.
Most of them from Haridwar, but
So the water is from Ganga.
yeah, it's holy water, Ganga. And some guys, they even go further, and then they run from there all the way to their village.
So they carried it all the way from Haridwar.
All the
Wow.
way from Haridwar. That's why they're not big. That's why you see skinny Indians.
But they're so skinny.
Yeah. See, skinniness doesn't define strength, no.
Yeah, exactly.
But the real coward is walking coward. Real coward is walking coward. You walk, you don't run. Relay race.
Where?
That's how they see. They will run for like 150, 200 kilometers, 250 kilometers.
Sure. Oh yeah, that's cool. Let's go.
हाँ तो फिर
Let's go.
अरे
Let's go. Let's go. Check mommy eye. Mommy's eyes. Yeah. Alright, so we're here to get my eyes checked. Hope I get this sorted because I just can't deal with it anymore. Just waiting for the doctor. Amira. Guys, I've already seen the doctor. Why are you like this, Gabby? Why are you like this? What? She's teething at the moment, so I want to go check her. See a pediatrician to check her. She's teething at the moment. She's not taking the booby. That's not good. That's not good. We need to take the booby. She's not taking this milk at the moment. Alright, we're off to see babies, to get baby checked. Hopefully the stuff that I got for my eye works.
जूनियर डॉक्टर तो आपको पूरा दिन मिल जाएंगे सर कभी भी आ जाओ
ठीक है मैं आ जाता हूँ
ओके
she's saying if it's not serious
Yeah.
we have junior doctors if it's serious then
No, it's teething and
इसको तो नॉर्मल खांसी तो है
teeth and cough. That's all.
let's just move.
I think they're only available at certain times, eh?
They have their lunch as mommy.
Oh, lunch.
तो दिखाना ना ये रात पर
How long will they have their lunch? 30 minutes? An hour?
2-3 hours. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
1 to 5.
Overseas, it's only 30 minutes or 1 hour.
No, it's their own clinic. You know what they do? They take the day off at the half day off at 1.
Yeah.
Then they're gonna relax for 4 hours. And then
वही सब हॉस्पिटल में
then they're gonna come back at their clinic, fresh.
Ready to work.
डॉक्टर है देखिए यहाँ से
That's so funny.
हम गए थे यहाँ तो बोलने का
कहाँ से?
Yeah. Look, mommy used to stay here for 2 weeks.
देख ला इसकी पत्नी बहुत अच्छी चीज वाली रखा है तो खाइए सागर देख
Check your temperature. Oh, it's okay. Are you gonna take us? You gonna drive? You gonna drive us? Huh? Are you gonna drive us now? Drive. Little.
फिर चला
Jala.
सागर में चला गाड़ी चला है नन्नो
Huh?
बहुत नमूना है गर्मी लग रही है इनमें
हाँ, गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी है. So Saga's getting baby's medication. I got myself sorted, so I don't know. We're gonna have to try it, take the medication that was prescribed to me. Also, but I'm hoping that the medication for me works because I can't stand to look so dry, flaky, itchy. Can't stand it. I need this to end now. Just sitting. Acha? Enjoying, eh? She's got 2 teeth coming down here. So that's why she's being fussy right now. And she's got diarrhea as well. My love. My lovey. I'm so sorry for you. But you'll be fine. You'll be fine within the next few weeks. Once those teeth are out, you're good. Huh? Go where? Go where?
वहाँ से दिमाग खराब हो रहा है, वहाँ से ले जा रही है।
Just a simple suit. Looking for a simple suit for myself.
पानी हुआ?
Simple one to wear at home.
आप लोग
Oh, baby clothes. Enjoying it? Enjoying it? Look at it all. Just finished getting our suits. Huh?
करके पालना एक दिन
So we got our suits now.
ठीक है।
नहीं बच्चे आना ले आते दुआ दे।
नहीं नहीं तो ये ठीक है।
थैली आटे की दुआ दे।
अरे मैं नहीं जाता कहीं तो
मैं भी दूंगा।
ताई लेने हो ले ला, लेने हो ले ला ताई।
50 तो दे दे बड़े।
नहीं नहीं 50 फिर उसमें मिलते हैं। नहीं नहीं ठीक है ले
क्या
ले तो उल्टा दे, ले उल्टा दे, ले दे दे ले उल्टा दे।
बेटा इतनी बड़ी दुआ।
ठीक है कोई नहीं चलो।
माता
चलो चलो हाँ कोई नहीं ठीक।
मेरा ही
चलो कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई नहीं चलो।
ना रोक
कोई बात नहीं
ना रोक बेटा दे दे मैंने 50 रुपये।
ताई रुपए नहीं मिलते और बस बात खत्म चल जा।
What is it want?
150 rupees.
People are not dumb.
See, that's what I'm saying. No matter how nice you be to these people, they always want more. They always take advantage of you. They always want to have more.
Hi guys. So Amaya is sleeping right now. Yeah, what an amazing day. We were actually coming to get Amaya checked. She's been, she's got 2 teeth. You can see it through the gums. She's got 2 teeth coming. So yeah, she's on teething phase right now. So she's been really fussy, not taking the breast. Took her to the doctor. They prescribed us, you know, everything that we need to do about it. And for myself, I've been having like these I believe they are contact dermatitis. I have no idea. Blepharitis, I don't know. I went and got my eyes checked. It started when I had mastitis, you know, and then followed by cold sores. It started off really small and now it's gotten really bad. Like not bad, it just gets itchy, flaky and dry. If I don't moisturize it, it'll get like really dry and it'll irritate me. The doctor prescribed me some stuff which I'm gonna try and I hope that it's gonna work. So yeah, looking forward to trying it out. And now we're currently at Burger King, just getting some food from Burger King. Yeah, we're gonna head home. Amaya is tired, napping at the moment. We're gonna make our way home. If I see anything interesting on the way home, I'll film it for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If I don't get back to you guys later on or update you guys later on, then I'll see you in the next video. But thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the contents here in India. If you don't know, I live in India now. I don't know how long for, but I'm here until I'm until I'm tired of it. Maya loves India. I guess I'm here for her. She needs the exposure. There's so many kids that she can play with daily. They come and take her out for walks, which is really healthy for her, really good for her mental health as well. So yeah. Our family bodyguard. If you don't know, this is our family bodyguard. He's actually my nephew. I'll bring him the Burger King. The burger's so good, man. Vegetarian options is so good.
Give it 10 rupees, man.
Huh?
Do you want masala or without masala?
Without masala. Look at you.
मसाला कट गया है इसमें
मसाला नहीं डालना,
अगर
मसाला नहीं डालना, हल्का ना बराबर नमक डाल दे, हल्का सा.
I'm gonna try this for the first time.
वही मसाला नमक की.
Mama.
कितने हो गए भाई? हैं? चल लेता हूँ.
Let's try it. Boy, it's like drinking sugar.
Yes, sugar cane.
Yeah, it's made of.
See. You should have had it fresh when in winters. Let's go to our village and have it fresh.
It's nice to drink when it's cold,
Yeah.
like really cold. It's good, not bad. Tastes like guava. Ah, it's too sweet.
We don't know where these sugarcane plants came from. They must be from India. Might be from outside as well. We'll just have.
Do you want it?
No.
I'm done.
Then I can have it.
Yeah. It's too sweet.
You haven't had anything.
I don't do sweet stuff. Yeah? Nah, baby, that's too sweet. Sugar is made of the same. Yeah.
This is fructose, not sugar. They have fructose in it, not sugar.
Sugar is made of sugar cane, right?
They
So that makes sugar cane unhealthy?
no. That makes just the refined sugar unhealthy, not the sugar. I'll show you once I am how it's made. भाई 30 रुपए बोल ले
30 rupees? 30. 1, 2, 3, 30.
ले भाई, धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
कड़ी पत्ता है ये करो माँ कड़ी पत्ते का कहती लेकर ये बेटा
Curry leaves?
लेके छुट्टी कर.
ले 200 रुपये दे दे
Curry leaves? Oh yeah, I like curry leaves.
छुआ ले अपना बेबी छुआ देगी हाँ छुआ ला जला ला 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 अपना बेबी का
बीपी का है मैं जाऊँ तेरे बाप को दौरा मैं जाऊँ सागर दौरा ले दवा दे दे
हाय नहीं कोई नहीं
ड्रामा कर रही है कुछ नहीं हो रहा इसका
अरे भाई रहने दे
दवा तो बर्तन लाते
अरे नहीं तू कहने मारेगा तो
मम्मी से बिता छाती को
मेरे भी खांसी हो रही है।
मेरे सांस चढ़ गया
Got it. Got the target. Got the target. That was your target, huh? Walk, baby.
देखा चढ़ गया नो चल गया
Wants to walk.
Yeah.
थक गई जा चल गया बस
Oh my love! Yay! Yay! Good girl. Good yeah. Come. Come. Come.
चले गया पाऊँ
और मतलब आया
Walk.
चलेगी चल चल चलिए चल
आजा
चल नहीं सुना है
खड़ी हो जा खड़ी
Walk. My baby's walking. Yay! Yay! Good girl. Huh? Good girl. Yay! Come. Come. Keep coming. Stand up. Stand up. My baby. Oh my goodness. Growing so fast, my love. What am I gonna do? You're growing so fast. Stand up. Stand up. Up. Walk. Oh my goodness. Come. Oi, 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 oi. My baby's moving. Yeah. 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 Oi, oi. She's enjoying it.
उठ जा
चले चल 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 सही चल हाँ चल चल चल
हटा तुझे